Hey guys, welcome to the 1 minute review. I just wanted to do a quick review. The company did send them to me and did compensate me to make a review on these telescopic inspection mirrors. Now, these are really cool and very, very different. They all extend. They all have an awesome extension wand. So that's really cool. What they're designed to do is actually inspect, look around. You can do your makeup with this. You can do a lot of different things with this, but it has a lot of flexibility, a lot of versatility. Let me just show you. It extends quite a bit here past actually the camera. So you can see that. The idea behind it is to go behind something. If you want to look at something, you can use this as a mirror, which is super important. If you're a mechanic, if you're looking at behind a wall, even if you're looking behind some electrical and your outlets, we have so many things plugged in today that you can't even see what's going on. I have a problem like that all the time. So that's great for that. Also, if you're doing plumbing and you want to see back in something, if it's a leak somewhere. I think this is another cool thing that people don't talk about. You want to go back inside and see what's going on behind a toilet, under a toilet. I mean, a lot of this, very, very versatile. This is a tools that you definitely should have, I think. I like this small one. You can see it has flexible, so it moves back and forth. It has full flexibility. You can twist this, turn this, and again, you have the full extension. You can go underneath the car. See if there's a leak somewhere. That's good, right? Under that, you can take a look and see if it's going on with the oil, or something's leaking. Again, you get mechanics, plumbers, electricians, homeowners, anybody who's interested in looking behind things. It's really important. Now, what's cool about this set here, it has lighted mirrors. This is also light. So it's LED lights built in, a couple of little batteries in the back here. And if you really want to, so in a dark area, you put the light on and bam, now you can see what's going on. So you can see my camera right there. You can see that, right? That's cool. So yes, the LED light, this has an LED light as well. Again, full extension. As you can see, you look under something, put the light on and bam, now you can see in a dark area under the car where it's dark, you can see what's going on, find the missing screw. So many applications behind your appliances. See if it's dusty. Hello, this is a must-have. Think about that, right? Behind the dryer, behind the refrigerator. You drop something, you can't find it. You pull out your extension, you put the light on, and bam, you should be able to see everything you want to see. So I definitely love them. It has a little rubber handle to it. You can see nice and soft, good grip. These are a good size. Again, they full extension, also with the full tilt, and I like that quite a bit. So these are a great set. I definitely think these are probably they're going to go in my toolbox, that's for sure, because you just never know when you need something and you got to find something and you can't see. This is the way to go. Love it quite a bit. You can see it extends quite a bit. It's got a nice long reach to it. And I highly recommend this set here. Appreciate your time as always. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. I hope I showed you and brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to follow this channel right here to help with more information and more decisions regarding technique and products like this, technology and different techniques. I'll teach you how to use things. And this is what I do. Appreciate your time as always. And I'll see you at the next review.